Follow the Xpressionzja European tour journey. From getting out of bed, to talking to our tour manager, to the morning warm-ups and exercises, and working out the dance routines. This is me working out a 27-second routine for a performance in Montego Bay. After our first week, then we hit the gym for more intensive work. Creating new routines and sharpening the old ones. Shelly Expressions will take on the journey first, 1 week before I go. Watch the teary eyes and the goodbyes, but you can only see it in members only. Become a member today. Greetings and salutations, viewers and subscribers. This is the Dancehall Professor, aka Numbers from the Big Bad series, The Bartender. Now, this Sunday on Sunday Night Lime, we will be talking about Vybz Kartel record-breaking performance at the Barclays Center. We will also be talking about Willie's Thatch Roof, one of our sponsors who is entering a competition, and we need your help to make sure that them win. Also, Delia Harris, 18 nominations in the Actor Boy Awards. For them play, pull up. Guess what? Junior Williams is also up for Best Supporting Actor. So we need you to go over, vote for them, and make sure that Mr. Sullivan, aka Bugsy, aka Trevor, gets that award. Alright? Plus, I will be having a very special surprise guest who will be my co-host this Sunday on Sunday Night Lime. So join us this Sunday because it's exciting. See?
When you look on it first until
Greetings and salutations. This is the Dancehall Professor, aka Numbers from the Big Bad series, The Bartender. This Sunday on Sunday Night Lime, we will be talking to Greetings and salutations, viewers and subscribers. This is the Dancehall Professor, and this Sunday on Sunday Night Lime, we will be talking about Vybz Kartel Greetings and salutations, viewers and